Hello and welcome along to another APHIS Online help video. In this video we're going to take a look at the process to confirm the purchase or movement of animals into your herd. So we have logged on to our APHIS Online account as usual, and you can see your home screen. You can check that the seller of the animal has completed his notification, because on your home screen under the movement section you will see a buyer confirmation required listed. You can go straight to the buyer confirmation document by clicking on the document number, and this takes you to the buyer confirmation page. On this page you can see the details of the movement, including the herd number the animals have come from, the herd number the animals are moving into, the confirmation number confirming the movement, the date the seller confirmed the move, and the date the move took place. And at the bottom of the page are the details of any of the animals listed on the document, including the animal's number, colour, breed, sex and date of birth. As the new keeper of the animals, it's your job to confirm these details are correct, and if they are correct, it is simply a matter of choosing the confirm button. Once confirmed, you will get a message on screen telling you this confirming has been successful. And that completes the process of confirming the animals into your herd. At any point you can check that the animals are listed correctly in your herd by checking your herd list or checking the movement report to show all of the animals that have recently moved into your herd. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you have any questions about this or any other aspect of APHIS Online, please feel free to contact us on the information shown on screen.